Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last videos we will have completed circuits related to diodes or Zener diodes. So now let's jump to MOSFETs or BJTs. The circuit we'll be implementing in this video is of a water level detector or water level indication circuit, and we will achieve that circuit using BJTs. So now let's get on with the construction of the circuit. As I've said BJT, so we need a BJT, the optimal one for the circuit, so we'll use BC547. We will place 5 of them, one above the other, so circuit will look good, pretty. Also we need some resistors. We'll place them here and 4 of them right here. Here you can look at this. It is basically 547. Now inputs for the resistor, we'll discuss that later. Firstly let's place all the components. So we also need some LEDs for indications. So let's pick a colored one. We can pick green or red or blue or aqua, any color that we want. So let's pick a green color LED. Here you can see LED green, and now rotate it. So it will look like this after placement. Now these 4 LEDs will show that the water, how much of the water is in the water tank. First LED will show 25% of the tank is filled. Second one will show 50, then 75, then comes 100. We also need one that will show us that the water is overflowing from the tank. So for that purpose, because it is alarming situation, so we need a buzzer for that. So let's place a buzzer there. Buzzer will come right here, and now time to make some connections. But wait, we also need a battery to complete the circuit, so let's place a battery there. Battery would come right here, and this buzzer can be connected right there. So now wait, we can place this a little bit below. Now we'll make some connections. This using wire you can make all the connections. So if you don't know how to select wire, just place your mouse pointer on its edge and it will allow you to make some connections. So this resistor will be connected there straight up, and LEDs will be connected to the other end of the resistor. For battery we only use 9 volt. That would be enough for the circuit. And now these connections. Okay, for these connections we need to make some changes because these need to be directly grounded. So we'll place this one here, then here, and same goes for the BJT that is connected to the buzzer. Attributes for resistor would be 220 ohms, not 220k, just simply 220 ohms, and that goes for all the resistors. So let's input these values. Right. Okay. Now these connections are left, so we'll place them just, if you want to make the circuit work, just place them like I do. Hmm. Okay. Now our circuit is pretty much complete. Yep, not pretty much, but completely completed. So let's place it a little bit here, so also we can easily see it. This, when we dip the base terminal of all the transistors one by one in the water and also add the positive terminal of the battery to the water tank, current in microamperes starts flowing via the base terminal. This leads to the switching of the transistor to on state. As the water level in the mug or the tank rises, the other basis terminals also get connected to the battery via water, and thus other LEDs and buzzer will start glowing. So in short, these are the 5 stages of the water level indication: 4 LEDs and 1 buzzer. Now this is our water level indicator circuit using BJTs. And which BJT is used? BC507. What are the attributes of resistor? 220 ohms, simply ohms, and voltage, it is 9 volts. So yeah, this is the working of the circuit. If you want to make its PCB layout, just replace the battery and buzzer and with connectors, and then you can make PCB layout of the circuit. So yeah, that's it. If you want more tutorials of some projects like this, you can leave them the suggestions in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe this channel and give this video thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.